It's mid-season. They're fed, they're watered, the weather's great. Let's have a little mid-season chilled out check around the garden. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Friday to you all. It is Friday the 31st of July 2026 and it is day 166 of the Chilli grow up. 21 degrees today. Weather's looking lovely. The sun is shining. There's a bit of cloud as you can see, but it's just perfect for the plants. Now they were fed and watered yesterday. Even though the soil is a little bit dry on the top, they're good for now. They might get a little bit of soil and water, a bit of water and fertilizer tomorrow, because me and Lucy Lou are heading to the seaside, aren't we, kid? We're going to go to an area called Western-super-Mare. And for the day, my friend's driving us there. We're going to go there. It's going to be our one and only seaside holiday, our little summer holiday, just for the day. So we're here in the morning, and I think tomorrow morning we'll get them fed and watered. Head on out, we're there the night, and then when we come back here, late morning, early afternoon, they should be fine. Just leaving them home alone for about 24 hours. Yeah, marvellous. So yeah, let's just have a little check for everything. Everything's fine. We'll just have a little wander through the forest and have a check through. Other than that, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a wonderful week and a wonderful Friday. And you've got lots and lots of great stuff planned for the weekend. Like I say, me and Lucy are looking forward to our little holiday, aren't we, dear? Enjoying that sun. Let's do this. Let's get into day 166. Happy Friday to you. Are you ready for your egg? Yeah? Enjoy. Right, let's have a little start through the garden. So, our sweet banana pepper here. Just having a little look. I'm noticing some new little ones on the top. Look, there they are. And loads down here. Loads at the sides as well. There's a leaf on the way. Lots and lots of peppers there. We've got our Carolina Reaper. It is just flying out. Again, no peppers or anything just yet, but it's getting good and tall, as is our jalapeno. And we do have quite a few starting to show. And here's our overwintered Cayenne, looking thirsty again. You know, the leaves are a bit droopy, but again, loaded with peppers. Nothing turning just yet. Hopefully, very, very soon. Let's have a little look at our ghost pepper. Just beautiful. Look at the size of these. There's this one that's just massive, as well as that one at the side. Just phenomenal. Really nice. There's our Padron. Looking great. We've got some new little ones in there, look. Starting to show nicely. Let's have a little look at some of these striped peppers. So there's a branch. No pods just yet on the striped peppers. Here's another branch. And the third, we've got flowers there. But no pods just yet. Let's move across to these Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Sorry, there's another branch. They're all doing really well. And a Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Looking great there. And then here is another. Lots of flowers starting. And then of course we've got our Poblano. Look at this. Huge, beautiful peppers. Super tall. Amazing. Armageddon looking lovely here. Lots of new flowers. Such a strange shaped plant, but doing alright. Let's move on now to a black jalapeno, and they're all starting to appear, look, in the back as well. Great. Our other one, we do have those lovely Jalapeño's turning already. Just beautiful, beautiful. There's our dream catcher at the back. Nothing new yet, but looking beautiful. Our little Cayenne, and I can't wait for this one to turn. Do you see that Cayenne pepper there? That's huge, huge, huge. Super tall. Our big Armageddon. Still branching out, bushing out there. Lots of new flowers and new leaves, but no peppers just yet. Let's move back here to our Carolina Reaper. Looking fierce, shall we say. And then we've got a Tabasco. Lots of new things happening here. No flowers and pods just yet, just the flower heads. And then our Ghost. Look at these. Lovely, lovely stuff. The size of that one. Excellent. Our purple peppers. There's the one dream catcher. And the second. Lovely. And here's another Armageddon. Lots of lovely little lemon coloured flowers, but no pods just yet. Our Mirch Masala the same, no flowers and no pods at the moment. We'll then move on to our Scotch Bonnet MOA, and this one is flying out. Already starting to get that nice unique shape. Doing very good. Now, mystery plant. Who knows what that's going to be? And here's a Tabasco. Lots going on the top. Shouldn't be too long until we get some Tabasco chilies. Very, very soon. This Padron is doing so well. All these beautiful, healthy flowers. And then look at these. Starting to get some pods coming through now. Look at this one at the back. Amazing. Padron there. And then the Kashmiri Mirch. All these lovely, lovely flowers on here. Just starting to see a few little peppers there, look. And there's one there, look. Oh, there we go. That's our first Kashmiri Mirch right there. Fantastic. Took long enough. Here's our Cayenne in the yellow pot. Little yellow pot. The leaves have blown back a bit so we can see all these chilies and all those flowers. It's amazing, amazing. Same with this one. Lots of chilies forming now. Looking great. Didn't even notice this. This is our Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Lots and lots of flowers, but look at this. Are you ready? It's going to the leaf. Look at that. And look at these. Just beautiful. There we go. There's a couple of pods starting to show. They look weird, don't they? So they get nice and big, shriveled up like a ghost pepper, and then they take long enough, but they will get that nice peach orangey stripe down the middle, or stripes along it. Oh, I can't wait to try these. But that's excellent. Finally getting some striped peppers on the Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. So there we go, everybody. Lots of new pods showing. Just really, really good stuff. Nothing ready just yet. There has been, of course, the Buena Mulatas. I did eat a couple of those earlier today. So the Buena Mulata on this plant. I have taken about 5 peppers. That's why there isn't many at the moment, but loads of flowers. So that'll be replenished in no time. But yeah, everything's looking good as far as I can see. Some of the leaves are a bit droopy. They're probably ready for a little bit of food and water already. But that will happen tomorrow. But yeah, I think everything's all fine. I'm not seeing any issues, no problems with pests. No blossom end rot. All of the pods are looking fine. I think everything at the moment is okay. We'll get them a little bit of food and water tomorrow morning before we head out. And I think they'll be okay until Sunday afternoon. But that wraps up day 166. Lucy's completely fast asleep here. Oh no, I've just woken you up, haven't I? Thank you all so much for watching. We really appreciate it. And again, the emails, the comments, our regular viewers, the likes, people sharing, remixing, it just means the world to us. So thank you all so much for joining us on our journey. Our daily vlog from seed to harvest means the world to Lucy and I. Please don't forget, like, share, subscribe and all that jazz if you do want to continue following us. So thank you. Have a wonderful week, okay? And a great weekend coming. You take care of yourselves. Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a great Friday, a great weekend, and we'll see you tomorrow for some water and fertiliser. And then we're off to Western Supermare, and you should be joining us, don't you worry. Take care. Have a lovely week. Thank you all. Goodbye.